Hey folks, let's talk about the new Margaritaville at Sea, and it is a new Margaritaville at Sea. If y'all have been following me for a while, you know I've not been a big fan of the Margaritaville Paradise because the original owners, Bahamas Paradise, did not live up to the brand expectations of Margaritaville. Look, if you go to a Margaritaville resort, they are beautiful. They actually have high ratings. They give you a great customer experience. What Bahamas Paradise did with the original ship was essentially putting lipstick on a pig. They just took that Margaritaville brand name, they slapped it onto the ship, but they didn't give it a proper dry dock, and it did not deliver the proper Margaritaville at Sea experience that was promised. Now, a few weeks ago, I had lunch with Margaritaville at Sea, and I learned that they are taking major steps to course correct and give you the proper Margaritaville at Sea experience that you expect. Now, first off, Margaritaville bought out the original owners, Bahamas Paradise, back in September of 2023. So the original owners, the original management, everybody gone. And number two, they issued strict brand standards so that the ships are now going to have to live up to the same expectations that you would get when you visit a Margaritaville resort. Number three, Margaritaville has brought in all new management from the major cruise lines, you know, people from Princess, Holland America, Celebrity, all the other cruise lines out there. And the new CEO is a former executive from Celebrity Cruise Line. So they are bringing together a solid team to rebuild this Margaritaville at Sea product. Number four, they sent the Paradise back in for another dry dock after they took ownership. And I have heard that the experience both in the rooms and the food is much better since that second dry dock. And of course, in June, we had the all new Margaritaville Islander coming out. She is in for a proper dry dock right now, being completely redone to the Margaritaville standards. So I'm really excited about this ship. Yes, I will be going on that ship. She's going to be doing 4 and 5 night itineraries out of Tampa. I think she might make a great ship for group cruises and family events and things like that. So I'm really excited to see this ship. Some point in June or July, I'll be going on there. Of course, I'll be bringing you all along with us. So I'm really excited to see where this brand's going to go next. If you got questions about Margaritaville, the Islander, and where this company is going next, hey, just reach out anytime. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.